Rare Beauty, it's Selena Gomez. I could not be more excited to introduce you to the new Find Comfort Body Collection. We have the Find Comfort Fragrance Mist, Hydrating Body Lotion, and hand cream, and the Stop and Soothe Aromatherapy Pen. So I wanted a new signature scent, something that felt fresh and bright, yet still warm and calming. That idea ended up becoming this incredible combination of lemon zest, jasmine, and cashmere wood. Both the lotion and hand cream are hydrating but not greasy. That was super important to me. The Stop and Soothe pen has not left my purse since I got it. It has peppermint, lavender, and tonka bean aromatherapy oils to help de-stress. I apply it to my temples, wrists, or behind my ears, wherever I feel like I need it. It was really hard to keep the Find Comfort collection a secret, so I'm very excited it's finally available and I can share it with you guys. I love you so much, as always. My Positive Light Tinted Moisturizer, which is one of my favorite products we've ever done. Shake it. You can put it on your hands if you want. I'm gonna use my foundation brush. Get the product on. What I love about the Tinted Moisturizer as well is that it has a little SPF in it. Super easy. 2-in-1. Well, you can always use more if you want. A little bit of an Easter egg. There is a heart in the middle.
OMG, there really is a heart.
This is great by itself, and this is great by itself. But putting these
Next
two
is
together...
my Warm Wishes bronzer. I love this product and I really love all the videos that you guys have been showing me on TikTok about it. It makes me so happy. I just go with the flow of things and I do 2 little dots there. Don't ask me why I love the dots, I just do. And kind of here. And then I like to do a little right there. Y'all snatch. Ooh, blending it all in. One of my proudest creations. So the reason I'm beyond proud of my mascaras because I used to wear lash extensions. I was losing a lot of my eyelashes, and when I started to create the line and I knew we were gonna come up with a mascara, I was like, okay, well, I'm gonna stop getting lash extensions. Hey guys, it's Selena Gomez. I've been seeing all the videos about our new eyebrow gel, and I've definitely heard all the requests to release it. So I made sure we launched it as soon as we possibly could, and I'm excited to share Brow Harmony Flexible Lifting Gel is now available. This has been such a staple in my routine since I've tested it, and it is what I kind of use for the natural look, and it gives it the fluffy, lifted brow. It holds all day without being flaky or crunchy or sticky. Plus it's clear, so it's super easy to apply, and you can apply more and more throughout the day. I can't wait for you guys to try it. Bye. Eyeshadow stick. I'm so excited about these because they're so easy to apply. I'm wearing 3 shades right now. You can dress them up or dress them down. My favorite color is Compassion, which is the red right here. It's a little maroon. It can be really soft or dramatic, like I said. Then my other favorite color is Integrity. This one is more of like a champagne color that you can kind of just pop and brighten up the eye if you want. My mascara, very easy to use, very easy to wear all day, doesn't really fall. Hey Rare Beauty, it's Selena Gomez. I am beyond excited. We now have a lip oil. This is our new Soft Pinch Tinted Lip Oil. It's definitely not like your traditional lip oil. It feels like jelly, but then it transforms into a lightweight oil and leaves a beautiful tint and shine without feeling sticky. I am obsessed with the way it feels and how you literally only need 1 swipe, using here. It comes in 8 shades, many more, and the cute little top matches our Soft Pinch Liquid Blush. Just like that, they're so cute. Now you can shop the collection. Hi Rare Beauty! This is something I've wanted for so long. It is my Positive Light Under Eye Brightener. I created this because I wanted a quick and easy way to brighten my under eyes and look refreshed, especially on those no makeup days. We all have them. It instantly brightens, hydrates, and awakens underneath your eye. I can't get enough of this metal applicator too. I have to show you guys. Look, it is so cool. I like to glide it under my eyes in the morning because it has a cooling sensation that feels really nice. And I love blending it in with my fingers. It's just super seamless. And I'm so excited for you guys to try it. We created it in 6 flexible shades, which makes it easy to color match to a range of skin tones. If you're only putting one thing on, this should be it. I hope you guys love it just as much as I do. Enjoy!